Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Today I'm going to share how to draw market structure the correct way. Many of you have gone through many theories. However, when applied to a chart, still don't know how to draw it properly. So I'm going to show you how I draw my market structure in this video. And if you have any question, please comment down below. You can draw market structure in higher time frame easily for beginners. Lower time frame will be a little bit messy. We will use Euro USD H1 for example today. We have an uptrend right here. And inside the uptrend we have smaller pullbacks. Right here. Here. And here. Then there's a huge bear candle. Then we have a range, which I call sideways. The market then breaks sideways and drops down, with a slight sideways movement in the middle. And then a slight pullback, as well as a downward trend. There's a sideway right here. And the price fell below and quickly recovered. And an upward trend. A pullback, and an upward trend that continues. What do we have right here? A sideway. We are in an uptrend after a sideways period. And then a downward trend. And then a pullback, after which the market decides to have a sideway. The market is still making lower lows, indicating that we are in a downtrend. If the market is too chaotic, you can simply leave it and look for another chart. We have an uptrend here. A sideway here. And then an uptrend with small little pullbacks in the middle of a downtrend. And another downtrend. And another sideway with a price drop. In conclusion, the market structure is complex, with various participants, such as central banks, commercial banks, institutional investors, and retail traders, all playing a role. Understanding the market structure and the role of these participants is crucial for successful Forex trading. With the use of technology and the internet, the market is easily accessible to individuals from all over the world, creating more opportunities for people to participate in the market. The Forex market is constantly evolving and adapting to changes in technology and global economics, making it a dynamic and exciting market to be a part of. As always, it is essential to stay informed and educated, and to develop a solid trading plan before venturing into the Forex market.